tumemaliza. Kwa hivyo mimi sina mengine mengi jameni, unless mtaninulia lunch sijui. Safari hiyo ingine nitakuja tukule na nyinyi. Niliona jana kuna pahali hapa. Nitakuja kuwajoin safari hiyo ingine. Si ni hivyo? Mungu awabariki na walinde jameni. Asanteni sana. Thank you.
Well, President Uhuru Kenyatta right after a short meeting with various stakeholders at the inland container depot in Embakasi along Mombasa Road. A 3-week timeline, an ultimatum right there to ensure that those goods that were confiscated right there have been cleared. And of course, he's highlighted some of the challenges facing that particular depot in terms of consolidation. Those who are keen on evading revenue in terms of tax will be sidelined in terms of gazettement of those who are cleared in terms of consolidation. We'll definitely keep you updated even as a countdown in those 3 weeks continue, which is a reprieve for businessmen and businesswomen alike.